Hey, this is Eric Whiteside with eVision Project Development. I'm here at 84 Park West Apartments performing maintenance and support on our evisioneye camera towers electrical station. The cameras, all of the cameras firmware is being updated. I'm going to have to update those, reset the passwords, and add the each one of the cameras and relabel. So right now we're waiting for the firmware to finish downloading for the camera. The camera has 4 varifocal lenses. So we're going to have to add them like we're adding 4 cameras, but as you see, it's just really 1 camera, but it's treated in our Axis Companion as a single camera. It's treated as 4 cameras, but it's actually 1. So this is our electrical substation tower. So this one comes with a actual electrical panel, and we'll walk over there to this. So it's like a service panel, because in this community they didn't have an office and they didn't want to have to try to put security cameras in individual residents. So we had to create them a substation. So that in the substation, it'll allow them to not only use for their maintenance. If a maintenance personnel come, they can tie into the power here, so that they're not using residence power. So this is a great application for utilizing a community or a situation where you don't have a physical office. So this application, so right now it's still waiting on it's configuring the camera, as you see on my screen, from installation. Once that is complete, then we'll relabel and add. We have to go through this process with each one of the lenses. Again, this is Eric Whiteside from evisioneye, here on location in one of our new smart communities at 84 Park West, doing a support and maintenance calls. I'm going to pause the video for a minute while this configures, and then we'll resume as when it's time to bring the camera into camera station. So as you see here, I just added in and had to relabel the 84 building front. So now we're going to remove going to hope that they can automatically repair. If not, we will have to remove those and re-add them. And we're going to put this on continuous recording on the camera station. Good. So now it's been repaired, the 84 building front. And so now we got to go in and make sure that it's set for the continuous recording, so that it's recording to the companion, so that the property manager and the owner can go back and pull footage. And so we're going to put all of these on continuous recording, so they're continuously recording during the day. So as soon as I finish the configuration error, then we will make sure that each camera is recording. Firmware is updated, and we'll confirm on our Axis Companion mobile app that everything is working. Again, this is Eric Whiteside here with our evisioneye electrical substation tower. So now we got each camera operating. Now I'm going to each one to retrieve the storage settings. And in these storage settings, we'll start to set up recording for each one of the camera views. And we're going to keep up to 30 days. And while that is configuring, let me confirm on the Access Companion mobile app that the cameras are operational for the Access and connected to the Access Companion. Yep, all cameras are up and ready to operate. So now also let me make sure that the master password for the cameras is the same. And we're gonna go ahead and pause the video while I input the new password. Alrighty, password has been changed. Recording has been set. While that's being set, I'm going to click over to the Access Companion Recorder. Seems like it is in, it's been updated. The firmware has been updated. It's in good standing. The mobile app is correct. This will conclude our troubleshooting call here at 84 Park West and our evisioneye electrical station. Again, thank you again for supporting the eVision Project Development Corporation, a small minority firm. Thank you.